So am I buying some Terra Luna? Hello everybody, my name is Sinad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into the video. So Luna went from hero to zero. It literally dropped down 100%. And right now it is trading at like 0.000 whatever. And a lot of people have been asking me, bro, are you jumping into Luna? Is it a good buy at these low prices? Do you think Luna will recover? In this video, I will give you my honest opinion on Luna and what I'm personally doing. So being completely honest, I do not believe that Luna can recover or get anywhere close to the highs that it had before. All the trust is gone in the founder, in the entire Luna Foundation. The trust will never be regained. No coin has gone from hero to zero and then gone back up to the all-time highs that it had before. Luna was a huge project. And with all this bad press, I do not see it recovering anytime soon. Yeah, the founder did release a recovery plan and a ton of others hype to pretty much try to bring it back. They will most likely burn a ton of tokens and do a ton of little tricks to bring the price of Luna back up and to pretty much bring USDT to $1 once again. But personally, I don't believe any of that stuff will work. So is Luna a good investment? Simple answer is no. But that does not mean that you cannot make money trading Luna. Personally, I do not believe Luna will recover, and I don't think it is a good long-term play. But trading Luna can definitely be profitable. As you guys know, when Luna first started crashing, it went to 0.5 zeros and a 1. Right now, it already recovered 2 zeros. And all the people that pretty much bought the bottom made a couple %1,000% return in literally one day. So there's definitely people making money trading Luna. So did I invest into Terra Luna? Being completely honest, I did put $600 into Luna. As you guys know, Luna literally dumped and it went down 100%. But everything that dumps big can also have big pumps. Do I see it recovering or going to $1 or any of that stuff? Absolutely not. But trading Luna can definitely get you some returns. And I can easily see Luna pumping 50%, a couple 100% in the next couple of days. Obviously, not financial advice. This is literally pure gambling. Also, guys, I ended up purchasing my Luna on the KuCoin exchange. I know a lot of other exchanges already delisted it and you can't buy and sell. But if you're interested in being a pure gambler and buying some Luna, check out the KuCoin link in the description box below. That is one of my favorite exchanges. But keep in mind, it is extremely risky and most likely you're going to end up losing money. So only invest what you are willing to lose if you decide to gamble on Luna. There are thousands of different opinions on Terra Luna right now. And a lot of people will tell you Luna is going to zero and it is staying at zero. And then there are those moon boys that are telling you Luna will recover. We're doing a token burn. The recovery plan is in full effect. Luna to $1, Luna to $10, Luna to whatever. Guys, do not trust either of these people. They both have an agenda behind their opinion. They're either shorting the market and they want Luna to go even lower, or they bought a bag and now they're trying to pump it up so you guys can buy and they can make some money. And can you really trust Do Kwon and the Terra Luna Foundation? They literally got finessed out of a $40 billion company in a matter of days. So definitely be cautious if you plan on investing into Terra Luna. My strategy with Terra is very simple. Get in and get out as fast as I possibly can and hopefully make some profits. But I know damn well that the $600 that I invested can go to zero. And I'm perfectly fine with that, guys. I have invested into meme coins, into coins that have zero utility, zero value, in the hopes that they will pump up and make money. Some coins made me good returns. Other coins, I got rug pulled. I literally lost everything that I invested. So the way I'm treating this Luna play is literally like I'm treating any other meme coin. The money that I put in, it can either go up big time or it can go to zero. And I'm perfectly fine with either scenario. All right, everybody, there you go. There's my quick little opinion on Terra Luna. Definitely risky. Long term, I see no value. Quick trading, I'd see potential to make some profits. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice. And most importantly, do what is right for your portfolio. If you don't want to gamble on Luna, don't. If you're a DJ and you want to lose some money, invest in Luna. But do what you believe is right. And as always, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. Cool coin if you want to buy Terra Luna. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Peace.